gonna be 8 o'clock by the time I leave here. I was so tired this morning, I did not want to get up. And it's also been like raining very lightly this whole time. And my, outside of my rain fly is wet, and I'm not quite sure how to pack my tent up when it's moist. And the sun, I wish that the sun would dry it, but it's still super foggy outside. So I don't know. I don't know how I prevent the outside of my wet tent from getting everything else wet inside my bag. So I've kind of been putting off getting up and getting going. What I really want more than anything is to eat tuna for breakfast, but it's so late, I feel like I can't justify sitting here for even longer and eating. So I've already done like 2 miles of the next section, so I happen to know that there's gonna be a lot of people, so I'm gonna pee now. And that it also has crazy insane views that I probably won't be able to see at all because of the fog. I also scored this from the ground at Mount Rushmore. It's like one of those gel packet things that runners eat. Is eat the right word? Consume. So I'm gonna try this. This will be my source of caffeine. It's got 55 milligrams. Okay, that was where I camped, right there. Now I'm going to the trail, and I did not realize how close I was to the highway. Fog makes things look so far away, but it just lifted. And you can probably see when cars go by. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. I'm actually like really close to the highway. Do you see that truck? It's just right there. It's just so beautiful. What a beautiful trail, and a nice thing to be doing. I'm always in a good mood before I start freaking out because I haven't made my mileage for the day, but even though I'm getting started super duper late, I have no sense of time management, so right now I'm not bothered. Oh, it's dark in here. It's dark and scary. Oh, I can see now. Oh, Mike was here. Oh, good, mud. Oh my god, my pants are so fucking muddy. Just hiking up my pants. Oh, fuck me. That's my trekking poles hitting the walls because I'm hiking up my pants. Blech. Where's the highway? Ow. Ah. This is the situation with my pants. Oh, that's the next, the next, landmark is what I was trying to say. But apparently that truck was just sitting there waiting for me to go. I don't know, he could have gone. I didn't hear him at all. Fucking motherfucker. Does this mean nothing to you? What do you think about that? I could cut you with my knife. Some days you just stand with your back to the trail and stealthily insert a tampon and then cut a stick into 2 pieces. And that's the way it is. It's just like sugar slime. I wasn't so sure about this stuff at first, but now I'm kind of dreading the moment when it runs out. One time when I was a kid, my grandma took me to Justice and she bought me these 2 tubes of, it was called like liquid Jolly Rancher. That's what this is. Y'all remember Justice, by the way? I wish my grandma could take me to Justice one last time. I mean, she's still alive. She could, I guess. She doesn't really leave the house. So out there is where you would see what I believe is like the cathedral spires and needles and stuff, like in Custer. I don't know. Huge granite things. But right now you just see fog. That's okay. Here it comes. I'm inside of a cloud now. Hope I like rocks. I bet this would be a great view most of the time. Like, you can see up there where it's gonna get easier. Does this mean mile 44, do you think? Because if it does, I'm so far behind. But that's about where I would expect to be right now, I guess. Okay, I think that's where I'm going. To the lake. You probably can't hear it, but I can hear sheep. There are so many animal noises coming from down there. It's like sheep and dogs and maybe children, maybe the tortured souls of the damned. I don't know. There's just like screaming and howling. Oh, what the fuck is up with the water, dude? We got a fucking trash can. This is what I need. These poor people who have their timeshare houses out here, they're gonna go to the trailhead trash can and see my tampons in there just laying on top because I don't have enough baggies to throw the whole baggie away. I gotta keep that baggie. Filtering from lakes is like the fastest way to clog your filter, but I didn't want to walk to the campground. dry in here. It's coming in. It almost got me. This is fun now. It's just camping. Setting up camp is gonna be where it gets interesting. I haven't been filming in the rain because I'm afraid my phone is gonna do that thing again where it says it can't charge because it's wet. I'm gonna fill up my bottles there, but I'm not gonna film it because I don't give a fuck. Isn't that pretty? I'm lost, by the way. I took a wrong turn, and now I think I have to backtrack a little ways. Yeah, I think I might have just come half a mile in the wrong way, so now I gotta go half a mile back just to see what it looks like. And I guess I could end up coming back this way. My shoes and socks are completely saturated. Okay, it's 8 o'clock now. I stopped walking at 7:15. I felt like I could have kept going. I wanted to keep going, but I knew that I needed to stop for the day. And I didn't want to be like too close to this trailhead, even though I'm actually really close to the trailhead. And there's actually a road right up there. And if somebody drives down the road, they can see me if the sun is up. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. And I found 2 ticks on just one sleeve of my shirt. Okay, it's 9:05 and I'm going to bed. I had 2 packets of oatmeal with peanut butter and honey for dinner and some beef jerky. Good night.